Beneath the waves, where sunlight dances and shadows swirl, there once thrived a coral kingdom bursting with life. Now, its colors fade. Silence spreads like a slow tide. Towers of coral crumble, and the ocean holds its breath. Nora, a curious little clownfish with bold orange and white stripes and gentle round fins, peeks out from her swaying anemone. The reef around her seems quieter, emptier. "Something's wrong," she whispers. Kai, an ancient sea turtle with a weathered, cracked shell and wise green eyes, glides slowly through the murky water. He's seen ages come and go, but never a silence like this. "The reef is losing its voice," he murmurs. Nora explores a once vibrant coral canyon, now ghostly pale. Fish wander without purpose. Coral pillars are bone white. "Why is everything empty?" she asks, her voice echoing into the stillness. Determined, Nora calls a meeting beneath a broken coral arch. Seahorses, rays, parrotfish all gather. Even the shy octopus emerges. "The coral is dying," Kai tells them. "But if we act now, we may still save it." Corals aren't just decorations. They're tiny animals working together to build underwater cities. They clean the sea, shelter fish, and protect coastlines. But pollution, warm waters, and careless humans are causing coral bleaching. When coral expels the algae it depends on and slowly starves, the water feels warmer each day. Algae leave the coral's skin, and color drains like spilled ink. Nora watches as a favorite coral tunnel collapses. Her heart sinks. "We're running out of time." Kai shares a plan. "We'll clean the reef, plant coral seedlings, and tell the humans, but we must work as one." Nora nods fiercely, then let's begin. One by one, the ocean's creatures join in. Nora and her friends get to work. Cleaner fish nibble away dead algae. Rays stir sediment back into balance. Parrotfish chip broken coral into new homes. Nora carefully tucks coral fragments into cracks. Bit by bit, life returns. Fierce current surges. Silt clouds the reef. New seedlings are ripped away. Nora is thrown into a dark trench, struggling to hold on. "All our work," she gasps. "Was it for nothing?" Kai floats beside her, calm and strong. "Even the sea must stumble before it stands tall again," he says. "Every act of care leaves a ripple. Don't stop." Nora steadies herself. The work begins again. One morning, a diver with a camera glides overhead. Nora swims up to meet them, weaving between blooming coral and darting fish. The footage travels the world. People begin to care. They plant reefs, reduce waste, and protect the sea. Sunlight returns to the reef. Coral arms stretch upward. Tiny fish giggle and chase each other through tunnels of light. Life hums once again. "We're healing," Nora says, watching a baby reef grow beside her. Nora swims beside Kai along the reef's edge. "Will it last?" she asks. "Only if we protect it every day," Kai replies. And so the reef's guardians keep watch, not just fish and turtles, but humans too. Did this story touch your heart? Then help protect our oceans with Nora and Kai. Like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder Book, where every story sparks change, one ripple at a time.